My name is Jason Langley, Operations Manager with Intendent Packing. Intendent Packing is a company that builds transport crating, anything from small boxes to very large heavy industrial. Basically, we find the best possible solution for any companies and their packaging needs to give them peace of mind whenever they're shipping their product. The crates will vary from 12 by 12 little boxes anywhere to 76 feet long, 16 feet wide, 16 feet tall, and that's all manufactured here and shipped out of our facility. I've been with Intendent Packing since 2009. Been operations manager since 2011. We've had safety speed saws since I've come here, so all of our machines are very old but have never had any issues with them. So we use all of their panel saws, safety speeds panel saws, to cut everything to size that can vary from 1/4 inch plywood, 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1 inch, even 1 1/8 plywood, and that'll be cut specifically for each crate. Through safety speed, well, one, they're very seldom ever break down, but when they do, the tech support or any issues that may arise, the customer service support that you get is phenomenal. Someone will always answer the phone, and if not, they'll get back to you very quickly and help you with whatever you might need. So one benefit as well with these is that training is very simple. If you can read the tape measure, you basically can run these saws. Truly, we found that safety speed saws are the best that we've been able to use. Like I had said, these saws have been in production for over 15 years, and we cut truckload upon truckload of plywood every month and with minimal issues.